Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you must be doing good inshallah. It's me, Anjum Akhil, and
Hello Vishwa.
at your own channel,
English Lounge. I'm feeling very upset because my Eid dress is very old fashioned, so I am unhappy.
Dear Haram, using very in your conversation seems monotonous. So today in this video, we'll tell you those words which can be used instead of very.
Very tasty.
Delicious.
Very valuable.
Precious.
Very upset.
Distraught.
Very old fashioned.
Archaic.
Very serious.
Grave.
Very beautiful.
Exquisite.
Very mean.
Cruel.
Very difficult.
Arduous.
Very clean.
Spotless.
Very boring.
Dull.
Very impressive.
Extraordinary.
Very afraid.
Terrified.
Very quick.
Rapid.
Very dirty.
Filthy.
Very colorful.
Vibrant.
Very big.
Massive.
Very slow.
Sluggish.
Very great.
Terrific.
Very unhappy.
Miserable.
Very perfect.
Flawless.
Very talented.
Gifted.
Very glad.
Overjoyed.
Very kind.
Compassionate. Empathetic. Sympathetic.
Very old.
Ancient.
Very excited.
Thrilled.
Very proud.
Arrogant. Conceited or boastful.
Very hot.
Sweltering.
Very poor.
Destitute.
Very thin.
Slender. So that's all for today's video. I hope you have learned something new.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Allah Hafiz.